Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today's video topic is airplanes without electricity. Electricity has become a indispensable part of the daily lives, influencing nearly every aspect of our existence, from powering on homes and fueling technological advancement for to driving an industry and providing industrial services. Electricity has woven itself into the fabric of modern society. However, for many people around the world, the stark health reality on the being powerless, both of lateral and perpetual without access these vital energy sources. In this in this part, we will explore the multifaceted obstacles and will powerhouse impact on living without electricity, scheduling light on the struggle faced by these who find themselves in the show out on this topic. The first one is the global perspective. Across the global, there is a millions of the people who lack access to electricity, performing developing regions according in the International Energy Agency. Approximately 789 million people will live without electricity, primarily in the South Africa and South Asia. The part of Southwest Asia is the part of without electricity. Some parts. Absence of this electricity in these areas exhibit an existing socio-economic challenges, hindering education, healthcare, and economic development. Second one is the educational hurdles. The lack of electricity process significant bright education in region without reliable power source. Students often find themselves studying in daily lived environments or resorting a outdated and insufficient lighting solution. This not only the strain the eyes but also limits the times available for study as daylight become of precision and free light resources. The absence of electricity also happen the instigation of modern teaching methods such as the use of the computers and multimedia tools, leaving educational opportunity for this student. Third one is the healthcare challenges. The impact of living without electricity on the healthcare is a profound. Hospitals and medical facilities in remote area without access to reliable power face serious challenges. The absence of refrigeration companies and storage a life-saving vacancies and medicine. Surgical procedure become a privilege without proper lighting and equipment. Mothers giving in birth in darkness face increased risk and medical professionals must be rarely outdated equipment restore a manual method without aid of electricity devices. Fourth one is the economic implementation. The absence of electricity happens economic development, creating a cycle poverty that difficult to break. Industrial independent energy intensive processes struggle to compete globally. Small businesses face challenges of maintaining consistent operation and farmers rarely in outdated method experience decreases productivity without the power of electricity. Their endeavors communities remain trapped in a cycle the poverty, progress and prosperity. Environmental consideration. While the lack of electricity poses significant challenges, there is a paradoxical environmental impact association with the absence of electricity. Communities without access to electricity often rely on traditional non-electricity energy sources such as wood during a Korean from cooking and heating. This is a reliance contribution. The deforestation, indoor air pollution and release the harmful greenhouse gas and exceeding environmental degradation. Fifth one is the human rights and social inequality. Access of electricity is not just a matter of convenience, it is a fundamental human right. The United Nations recognizes access to energy as a basic human rights as it's intertwined with a ability to enjoy the decent standard of living. Lack of electricity often this opportunity affects communities, prosperity and social inequality. Bridge and this gap requires addressing both the physical instruction needed for electrification and this underlying socio-economic disparity. Sixth one is a innovative solution and sustainable development. Efforts to address the electricity gap are gaining momentum with various organizations, governments and initiatives are working toward the innovative solution of grid renewable energy systems such as solar panel and small scale hydroelectrical projects are providing to the effective providing electricity to remote area. This solution not only address the immutable need to power but also contributes to sustainable development by minimizing the environmental effect. Rural electrification initiatives. The government and non-government organizations like NGOs are increasingly recognize the importance of rural electrification. Initiatives such as the Indian government Sadbhagya scheme aim to provide electricity to every household, ensuring inclusive development by investing a decentralized energy solution and extending the power grid to the remote area. These initiatives contribute to the breaking the cycle of poverty and empowering communities. The role of technology. Technology advancements play a vital role in bridging an electricity gap. Portable and affordable solar lamps, energy efficient and appliances, and innovation power storage solution offer new possibilities for communities living without consistent power supply. Mobile technologies in a particular has been catalyst for change, enabling access to information, education and economic opportunity even an area with a limited non-electricity. Challenges and roadblocks. Despite progress in addressing the electricity gap, various challenges persist. Limited financial resources, political initiatives, and infrastructure pose formidable obstacle to electrification efforts. The economic validity of electrifying remote areas are often questioned, requires a careful balance between sustainable development goals and future realities. How to overcome the obstacles? The address the challenges associated with a living without electricity. It is a crucial to the adopt a holistic approach to the eco passes, not only the provision power but also empower communities. Microfinance initiative, for instance, can play a pivotal role in adapting the renewable energy solution by providing financial support to individual communities. These initiatives enable to purchase a solar panel, small scale with turbines, other off-grid systems, self-sufficient and economic resilience. Moreover, collaborate efforts involving governments, NGOs and private sector entities are essential for developing and implementing comprehensive electrification plans. This plan should consider the unique needs to each communities, integrate renewable energy source and prioritize sustainability by fostering and partnership and sharing expertise. stakeholder can leverage the resource effectively and overcome the logistic and financial challenges associated with electrification project. Educational as a catalyst. Education emerged as a transformative force in the journey toward the electrification initiatives. The combined electrification efforts with the educational progress can create a impact and by providing access to information, digital resources and e-learning platform individuals in unreserved area or broaden their acquired skills that contribute to local development. Additional educational programs can raise awareness about sustainable energy, particles, eco-regime communities and adapt an environmental friendly solution. Thought this dual approach of providing electricity and fostering education is the cycle. Poverty can be disproved, paving the way to improve living standard of increased opportunities. The role of innovation. Social innovation characterized by novel solution to social challenges holds promise to the realm of electrification initiatives. The blend technologies and communities engagement and local empowerment can be bring about a sustainable change. Social enterprises focusing on energy access are emerging, offering scalable and adaptable solutions that create to the unique needs to diverse community. Their social innovation not only provide electricity but also create opportunities for entrepreneurship and job creation by harnessing and local knowledge and expertise. This initiative ensure the electrification efforts are culturally sustainable and aligned with the aspiration of communities they are served. Government policies and informational and government policies play a major role in driving the electrification initiatives. Countries with successful electrification stories often have a clear policy that prioritize universal energy access. These policies may be include financial incentives for renewable energies, project regulation that provide the private sector in and for work there encourage community participation. International aid and cooperation are also the crucial components of electrification puzzles. Collaboration efforts between developed and the developing nation supported by a international organization can accelerate progress. Financial assistance, technology transfer, knowledge sharing contributes to building a sustainable energy. Conclusion: living without electricity is a more than it is a pervasive and multifaceted challenges that affect every aspect of the life. For higher education and healthcare to impede economic development and social inequalities. In this absence of electricity, cast a long shadow on the communities around the world. As the negative, complex landscape global development imperatives that prioritize electrification initiatives recognize access electricity as a fundamental human rights. Thought collaborate efforts, innovative solution and commitment to sustainable development, we can bring light to a darkest of our world, empowering individuals and communities to break free from the chain of darkness and step into a brighter, a more equality future. This is all a discuss about how electricity without happen and conclusion.
थोड़ा राहिले.
This is all major effect when electricity are not happen.
major effect on our societies, all the aspect they effect on all over the environment. Thank you.